Hello friends, how to build 3 pillars of wealth. It is with our daily actions that create financial freedom. And this is very important for everybody, as I always say that money is the purest currency on planet Earth. So giving you a brief, a step-by-step 3-pillar guide which is actually going to help you. So we imagine that you are working hard and you get paid and you spend it, and by the end of the month you are wondering, where did my money go? Does this sound familiar to you? Listen to me. Most people think wealth is about earning more, but the real finance, that is your wealth, it comes by the mastering of 3 pillars: your money mindset, your money habits, and your 10x money time secrets, which I'm going to share with you today. I'll break down this into very simple daily action and very stress-free, in which you will be able to control your finance. Yes, the pillar 1, the money mindset and the foundation of wealth. This is so much important for everybody. The mindset shift creates changes in everything. So I had a friend who always said, I am just not good with money. And guess what? It always happened. Experiences came when she found that really she was not good with money. So we attract what we believe. So daily actions. Start your day with a money meditation or a money chanting. Money flows to me easily and I handle it wisely. So simple. 3 things you can list that you are grateful for about your finance. Even if it is just having enough for a coffee. When you respect money, money respects you. The second pillar, the money habit. Very simply, I'm putting it in a very simple way. Small daily actions impact big wealth. Real life example, the 1% rule of wealth, that is like the budgeting app. If you see a person who is earning well but not saving, instead of big sacrifice, he's just making small shifts, saving just 1% from his income every month. We can, as a daily action, what you can do is you can track your dollar and you can see how this impacts you. When you are buying something, use a 24-hour rule. Before you buy, avoid impulse spending, because wealth is built in just doing small habits, not in one big lucky break. The third pillar is the 10x money time secret, that is earning more in less time. And really friends, time and money has connection. The smart wealth move is by doing more in less time. I have seen many of my participants. One of the participants didn't have any time, came to me with energy burnout, feeling exhausted every time, most of the time, even while getting up in the morning, while the other participant had time for family and hobbies and investments. The difference was that the other one was focusing on high value tasks and automated the low value ones. So I would love to give you a daily action. Block 1 hour for your high value money activities, investing, learning, networking, and outsource the low value tasks using app or hire or delegate. Yes, time is money. If you waste time, you waste wealth. My dear friends, your wealth action plan starts right now. Many of you who are ready, say ready in the comment, and I would be reading all of your comments. Which money, which habit, which secret you really felt that this was related to you. So I want to request you to write ready, so that Money Manifestation Challenge, one of my very powerful programs, can come to you. Do like and subscribe the video if you like the content, and stay connected to the channel, because this is one of the steps you will take towards building wealth together.